G stands for good through/until stock order, or GTC. I love using this type of order when I do not want to be stuck at my computer waiting for the right moment to buy a stock that I'm interested in. If you're not a day trader, you basically use a GTC order to set it and forget it. Meaning that you go into your brokerage firm and enter in what stock you want to buy at what price and set that order to expire after a certain specific date. This is good for when you're buying stocks that you believe are going to go down in price from the day that you write the order until a specific date in the future. This should be based on patterns that you notice during your research on that stock. Make sure you've watched my videos on analyst reports and on fundamental analysis to know how to do that research in order to get a stock at the price that's right for you.